people, welcome back to my channel. I thought today I'll share with you where I've been living, and yeah, don't mind the sound of the tripod because I'm moving with it to not be shaky. So I am living in this building where it is like dorms, and as you can see there, I have set my set for filming to make sure that I film quickly. Over here I have my desk, then here is the closet, which I'm gonna show you in a bit. Here is the bed with my silk pillowcase and regular bedding, nothing special. But if you go to that side, here is the door. I have beside the door here like part of the kitchen. This is the kitchen, and over here I have this bookcase where I like used to showcase my shoes. I have here my shoe collection, which is every shoe I have, and over here I have all the bags I own. I'm gonna make a minimalism series, and this video is kind of like video number 1 in the series where I show you my minimalist room. Next is going to be a capsule of every single thing I own. My white sneakers, and beside them my laundry basket. This is where I keep all the laundry that I have to wash. If we take a quick detailed look, here is my desk. Over the desk I have this speakers. I have my current notebook, I have my medications, the water bottle that I've been reusing for as long as I remember, extra notebooks because this is almost over, and my down jacket from Uniqlo, the laptop. I'm editing a video actually currently. Over here we have the closet, which looks like this, and it has on top of it my prayers mat and yeah, towel. I'm gonna quickly show you in my closet, just a second. Not sure if this is gonna show me correctly. Yeah, it does. But yeah, closet is pretty small. See on the top I have like my pants, my thermals, and my like light pullovers. Here's all my jackets and shirts and jumpsuits and dresses, and at the bottom I have the chunky sweaters and my underwear and my socks. Basically that's the closet. Over here we have the mirror that I have, and trash bin, and like the cleaning thing. And then we go to the kitchen, which looks like this. On the kitchen counter I have here my YouTube award, a candle, dream catcher, some more candle, and 2 things that have like cardamom and things like that. My defuzzer for the pullovers and sweaters, and this is like a lint roller so that when I'm going out of the door I can quickly like check myself and do this. In the cabinet over here there is nothing super special. Wait, that's so close, but like ugh. Yeah, so over here in the cabinet I have like, this is the cleaning detergent, this is like some extra medications, I have here the soap for laundry, trash bins, all the other cleaning supplies, like the detergent for like plates and dishes and things like that. And here I have like miscellaneous food things, like yeah, and then on this side I have like the coffee and tea side. Pretty minimal. I don't have a lot of things in here. Then if you move a little bit down, over here I have like a small trash bin. I was making coffee, so I have like my milk thing. I don't know what that is, the name of it, but it's like the thing that makes the foam in the milk. I have my cup that I was drinking the coffee in. Over here we have like this small stove. I was making coffee in my mocha pot. And yeah, if we go down a little bit, we have 2 drawers. This drawer I have like my jewelry in, and miscellaneous papers and passport and things like that. Then over here we have this cabinet where I keep like my skin gadgets and the extra bed sheet I have. Then we move on to here. In these drawers I have like my spoons and like, you know, these kitchen stuff, I don't know. The next drawer is where I keep the plates and these yeah, creating a mess. The pan, and yeah. Well, that's it. And the last one, it has all my toiletries. So I have here like skincare, teeth things, body care, makeup. So this is everything I use for my skin and hair and nails and like everything. Basically, yeah. Where I have the fridge, my fridge is pretty empty, as you can see, but I don't have much of things because mostly we eat at where I work, so I don't need to keep with me any food. Over here, as I said, I have my shoe rack. I have like my light heels color, my black heels, my flats, my dressy like seasonal shoes, my trainers, like the black ones, and my boots. I have extra trainers white here. Nothing special about the bed, but yeah, that's it, you guys. And then we go on to the last part, which is like the filming part. I have it always set on to make filming faster for myself. But it also like gives me away when someone comes like, you're a YouTuber, and then I have to explain myself. Duh. So I thought I will take you in a small tour. I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know what you think of that room. It's pretty cool. I live in the first floor. I don't have a very nice view. If I open the curtains, people will see me because the lights are on, but you get the point. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.